This is the MOVO SBR5 mobile phone camera rig. It's made from aluminium. It feels premium, it's strong, it's sturdy, it's light, it looks cool, and it has two jobs. The first is to act as a hub for other accessories like lights, microphones, and a tripod. And its strong, sturdy construction coupled with its many different mounts means it does this very well. The next is for handheld shooting. The wide rubberized grips make it much more comfortable and secure to film with your phone as opposed to just holding it handheld. And some say you can also use a cage like this to add like stability to your shots to help stabilize them. And I don't think there's anything inherent about a cage that adds stability. I think it's just the fact that because you've got a much more solid grip, it allows you to sort of keep yourself snug against your body, and just with that secure grip, it kind of cancels out all of the little hand movements that you get, because I see my results as comparable when I've shot with the cage compared to when I shoot without the cage. They look similar to me in terms of stability. It doesn't really stand out when I've shot with the cage, so I wouldn't recommend one of these for stability. But in terms of actually comfort and security when you're filming, and it allows you to get those quite awkward angles with a lot more confidence than when you're just holding it handheld. The only thing that I found about this cage is it comes with Movo's holder. Now, I have used Movo's holder before. It comes with their iVlog kit, and it's a great holder. It allows you to rotate the phone like really easily, like that. But because it's back, can you see how it's not flush? It's not level with the cage itself. It's a bit further back. You have to sort of hide your thumbs out of the way. You can't hold it like this, for example. You have to sort of learn to keep your phone a lot more pushed over to this way, because if you don't, then your thumbs are going to end up just making an appearance just in the shot. What I like about this cage is that it does encourage me to get more shots that I wouldn't usually get, like the steering wheel, for example. Something else I like about this rig as well is the wrist strap. See, it saved my phone from sudden death, as well as would the rig itself. Having your phone surrounded by this beautiful, strong piece of aluminium just fills me with confidence. So I've really enjoyed using this cage over the time that I've had it. It's actually inspired me and made me want to go out and get like different shots, even shots that I wouldn't have even attempted or tried to do with my motorized gimbal. So I've really enjoyed it. As I've said in the review, it's strong, sturdy, it looks good, it's light, it's comfortable, it protects your phone. But my problem with things like this is that they're great. I can't fault them. If you want a cage and you've got £40 to spend on a cage, then go for it. You will not regret it. However, think of it like this. I got a cage for my DSLR and I've used it in a year and a half. I've used it a grand total of 5 times. It's been collecting dust in the cupboard, and just like this cage, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. So before you invest in a bit of kit, make sure that you actually need and want, and you are going to use this bit of kit. Otherwise, you'll just keep collecting gear, and it's going to go in the cupboard. But don't let that put you off this cage. If you want a cage, then this is the one for you. So I'm going to do a giveaway now, because personally, after this review, I'm not going to use this cage anymore. So guys, you want a cage? 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 No? Some of my subscribers, let's go and say hello. Hi. Thanks for your support. Hey, you're all right? Yeah? Thanks for your continued support. Which video is your favourite? You're a bit shy? I know it can be a bit daunting in the presence of a celebrity like me. But yeah, you know, don't be nervous. You know, I may have eaten one or two of your friends in the last 30 years, so yes, sorry about that. I'm trying to cut back on meat though, not really because I want to save you, but because of my health and things like that. You know, just trying to cut down on eating you and your mates.